Hello YouTube. Today we got another product from Ingersoll Rand. Anyways, it's a 3/8 drive impact ratchet. Okay, I don't know how you say that. Duck lift slash grabber, whatever you want to call that. But this is a 3/8 ratchet, air ratchet from Ingersoll Rand. It's model number 2015 Max. We got the instructions. We got the ratchet, the tool. Nothing here. Nothing here. Wow, it's a real nice piece. I gotta say, it's real light. I like the shine. Here is the torque settings. That's forward, full strength. That's forward, I would say half strength. And that's reverse, full strength. Feels real good. It's real super light. That's where the air goes in. Says right here, 2015 Max impact tool, 3/8 drive, pressure max 90 psi maximum, 6.2 bar, RPM is 9,000. Ingersoll Rand tools, U.S. Davidson, North Carolina. It says assembled in the USA. So I guess this is still made in the USA, this brand. We use a few tools from them. We haven't used any of the ratchets. I know we got a few ratchets. Well, I haven't used any of the ratchets, I can say. But yeah, this feels pretty good on the hand. Here's the bottom part. This has 2-position forward and reverse, obviously. Maximum torque key of 180 pounds, feet-pounds of torque. 7,100 psi, or revolutions per minute, not psi. Alright, this is my quick review on this Ingersoll Rand ratchet 3/8 drive. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the little bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you for watching.